really hard tour in Afghanistan. And I was a triage officer, which meant we see a lot of casualties, we see a lot of death. I joined the Army in October of 1986. So here I was, a brand new nurse and a brand new officer, and in charge of a ward, in charge of people. I was hyper-focused on everybody else except myself. And it was good for me because then I didn't have to address what was really going on with me. My symptoms started to appear once I retired. I was a trauma ICU nurse at Palomar Medical Center in San Diego. I started reacting to some of the traumas that would come in, and I'd get flashbacks. I started taking prescription drugs for anxiety and for sleep. And then when those didn't work, I started drinking on top of that.
The first time I met Debbie, despite the fact that she was experiencing homelessness and she, was in crippling pain and had all of these symptoms of PTSD, despite the fact that she had been denied so many times and the doctors had, told her that there was nothing wrong with her and that she was perfectly fine, she still had an unwavering belief that she knew something was wrong and she just needed the help to prove that there was something going on.
I felt a lot of support through Mary and the staff at Inner City Law.
Working with clients like Debbie is important to me because my father served in the Army and he also served in the Gulf War. And when he returned home, he suffered with all of these crippling symptoms of Gulf War illness. And he spent his entire life attempting to get the VA to acknowledge his disabilities. And unfortunately, in 2014, he died before he was able to get any type of benefits. When you have someone out there advocating for you who knows the law, that makes all the difference.
On top of my combat PTSD, losing my nursing license was, that's one of the big losses of my whole life. I was really blessed to have Mary step in and come alongside of me and help me with my case because, when you're the person suffering, it's hard to be very focused.
Seeing a client just, completely know that their life is going to turn around and that it's not just about the money, it's about having that money so that you can provide for yourself, so that you can gain some stability. That's what makes it all worth it. It's just an amazing feeling when you win one of these cases.
It's really made a huge, huge difference in my life. And I am so grateful, Mary, and so grateful to Inner City Law.